Hello and welcome back to Quarantined with the Edge. Here is your edition for Steam Monday. Today we are going to make a storm in a glass using ingredients that you should be able to find at home. So we're going to use shaving cream or shaving gel. We need a small dish with a half cup of water, some food dye, a large glass half full, couple spoons and some paper towels because we will likely be making a mess because we're using shaving cream. Fortunately, no glue today, so that's good for me. So we have our glass of water that's half full. So now we're going to fill this 3/4 with shaving gel. It actually says shaving cream. I don't have shaving cream, so I'm hoping that this works with shaving gel. The problem is I'm gonna have to mix this up with my hands and make a mess. So I'm just gonna start squirting this into my hands. That's a lot. All right. And then I'm going to mix it around to make it more of like that shaving cream type. Wow. This was not the best way to do this, I don't think. Maybe I should have done this in like a bowl. All right. So I'm trying to get the shaving cream off my hands into my glass. Okay, this is going. This is it's going. It's getting in there. All right. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna wash my hands off real quick and grab a bowl and try to do this a smarter way. All right. Sorry about that. That's why I brought the paper towels. All right, let's try this again. So now I'm gonna fill up a small dish with my shaving gel. See if you can see what I'm doing. It's not too easy here. So now I'm going to mix this around to get it nice and frothy. Oh, I think this is a much better way to do this. Don't use your hands, use a small dish. Lesson learned, lesson learned. Alright. Now I'm going to continue filling this. Once it about 3/4 full, and you want to smooth down the top of the shaving cream as well. I am getting some air gaps. That's not. I don't like that. I don't want air gaps in my shaving cream layer. So the shaving cream is going to be your cloud if you haven't figured that out. The water is the atmosphere of the earth. So what I'm trying to do now with my spoon unsuccessfully is to smooth down the top so that the top layer is nice and flat. I'm not doing a very good job. But I'm getting it as best as I can. Alright, I'm going to stick with that. So now, we're going to take a half cup of water, which I have poured into a dish because I'm not going to use my hands for this. and food coloring. Now, I see that my shaving cream has a bluish tint, and I grabbed blue food dye originally, so I'm going to change that up a little bit. Just to have some fun with colors. So I'm going to grab some red food dye. You're going to put 10 drops into your cup. All right. So put 10 drops of food dye into your glass. Mix it up a little bit. And if you didn't realize, I used my Thor mug because we're making a storm. Get it? The God of Thunder. Thought that was kind of cute. Very smart of me. All right, so now we're going to take this out, and I have no idea if this is actually going to work. So we're going to take out a spoonful, and we are going to just pour it on top. And keep going. I'm going to show you just what, okay, I think it's starting to happen. Ooh, yeah, something's starting to happen. I think that's because of some of the air gaps in my, yeah, that's from some of the air gaps in my shaving cream. Did not make me happy when I saw that. All right, I'm going to keep going. And eventually, if you didn't figure this out, because my shaving cream was a little blue, I used the red because I was hoping that this would be a little bit purple, and that did not happen. But as you can see now, we are slowly, the red food dye is slowly going through. Oh wow, and there it goes, it crashed through. So that is your storm in a glass. So what happened? Well, clouds, aka the shaving cream, can hold a lot of water. But once they get oversaturated, the water will eventually fall down, causing a rainstorm or snowstorm or even hail. So that's the experiment that we did was we created clouds using shaving cream and then added water. We used food dye with the water so we can see the difference, to see how long it took until the cloud, our shaving cream, got saturated with water and couldn't hold any more water. So try this at home and then do some experiments. Be a scientist. Try and see what else you could possibly use, and instead of shaving cream or shaving gel that would float on top of water so that it doesn't mix, and then try to see how much water it could hold before the water on top falls through. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that, and there should be a blog up on our website about this as well with some more information, and I'll see you soon. Take care.